What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the Braintrust token on Coinbase. So log into your Coinbase account, and if you don't have one yet, then you can sign up through the link in the description and you will receive 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So the next step is of course to go to the search bar, and there we need to search for the Braintrust token. Now, if you search for it, you will find it and then select it. And as you can see, we've got the current market price over here, a price chart, and of course some time frames to select to see what this coin has done in the past. If you would like to read some more information about this project, then you can find it over here. And if you scroll a little bit more down, then you will find the coin stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply and the all-time high. Now if you scroll back up to the right top, then you will find the trading options. As you can see, we've got trade options, a buy, sell and convert option. For this video we are using the buy option, and on default the one-time order is selected. That is a single order for the current market price. But if you click on it and you would like to buy these coins on a more often base, then you can set up recurring buy options. So this will set up automatic purchases during a daily, weekly or monthly time frame. But for now we will use the one-time order, and then we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this coin. Let's say 1000 euros, and then you will find the amount of coins we will receive in return. Down below you can select your preferred payment method by clicking on it, and then this list will be opened so you can select the right one. If your preferred payment method is not showing up in this list, then you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Just follow these steps and it will be added into this list, and then you can select it and go back to the overview. Before you review your order, always check the coin you have selected to buy. So now click on review order, and then I will give you guys a very useful tip. Because as you can see on this order we are paying fees of 38 euros towards Coinbase. That is a lot of money. But if you would like to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase, then use their Coinbase One subscription. This is free for 7 days and you are saving up to 10k a month of trades without paying any fees towards Coinbase. So definitely try that out, and after those 7 days you will be paying around 25 euros a month. But on this order alone we are already saving up to 38 euros. So definitely try that out. Once you have decided to buy these coins, click on the buy now button, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!